Hey guys, it's Absolacario2213 here again, and today I thought we could maybe explore the realm of cooking, and I found this cookbook that I had a little while ago called Pokemon Cookbook Easy and Fun Recipes by Maki Kudo. There's actually some pretty good recipes in here, I have to admit. Look at the back, it's pretty cute. So yeah, we should explore what recipes we can perhaps make, and then we can go grocery shopping because I have no food and I'm pretty hungry. So yeah, let's get cooking. So let's see what we can possibly make in here. Okay, so I'm thinking of making this Regigigas Rice. It looks pretty good and it looks quite simple to make as well. So let's have a closer look at the ingredients and what we need to do to make it. So the ingredients are pretty basic. You just need rice, broccoli, like 3 colors of capsicum or bell pepper, mushrooms, and just nori, which is dry seaweed. So I'm just in my car now, about to head to the grocery store. It's really hot in here, so I'm just going to quickly go right now, and I'll see you there. I've just come out of the shop, I got all the ingredients, and let's go back home. So here are my ingredients. I couldn't really find the shimeji mushrooms, so I just thought they were close enough, I guess. Sushi rice, there's all the capsicums, half a green one because I couldn't find a full green. And yes, I just cut the broccoli up into 5 to 6 small pieces, popped in the microwave for about 2 minutes maybe. I let them cool. I couldn't decide which mushrooms, so I just picked both because why not? I have so many. And once you're waiting for the microwave, you can always do a little dance. If not, that's cool. And then get the mushrooms out, let them cool down with the broccoli, and then this is a little diagram. So I had to follow that as close as I could. The yellow capsicum part was quite easy. Because it was just little slices basically, so that worked out pretty well. The knife that I had is not very sharp, so that sort of hindered me a little bit with this part, because the circles took forever to sort of get into a circular shape. There were so many different cuts I had to do, as you can see, but they sort of worked out in the end, which is the main thing. The nori or seaweed was okay. It did separate every now and then, but it was not too bad. And then of course the 4 cups of rice, which makes about 8 cups cooked. And while we wait, let's say hello to my cats and dogs. So here's Romeo, there's Momo, just being a little cute boy. There's Amarula waiting for me. And Vincent just being a lazy boy as usual. So once that's nice and cool, you can start shaping Regigigas with the rice once it's cool. Of course, cling wrap is always good to use, and wet hands also helps the rice from sticking to your hands. So there's Romeo, and you can decorate the rice Regigigas with all the vegetables. There's the broccoli, the capsicum, the mushroom caps, the mushroom hands, and then of course the nori little strips that we cut earlier to put on top. So yeah, it tasted okay. It's probably nicer with probably soy sauce or sweet chili or sriracha, but it was great, and it was nice and colorful as well, very healthy. And yeah, I hope you guys make it yourselves. That's me making the thumbnail. Yeah, enjoy it and have a great day. See you next time.